To call you because the tyrannical actions of one of your officers. You're watching him right now, right? You're under watch?
I'm watching him now, but
yeah. Okay, so sir, let me finish my sentence. You're about to end. You're cutting me off. I was talking. I was talking, sir. I was talking, sir.
What am I worth?
I was talking, sir.
What am I worth?
Are you gonna ignore me?
I'm not gonna talk while you're talking.
I'm just gonna go. I was speaking and you cut me off.
You're sitting here talking about his
I'm telling him if he comes and gives me an apology, I won't file a line complaint direct. If he does not want to apologize, then I will go file a complaint.
Sir, you do what you need to do.
I'm giving him an opportunity to fix it. You understand?
He's within,
I am being kind and giving him a chance to fix it without putting something against his name.
Officer, to do what he needs
I don't want to put something in his portfolio.
Go ahead and do what you need to do.
So you're answering for him that he doesn't want to apologize.
No,
you don't even want to give him the chance to.
I'm having him continue his investigation, and he does not.
Okay, sir, I'm done talking with you. Sir, if you'd like to apologize, I won't file a complaint on you, sir. If you don't want to apologize, that's fine. But if you would apologize, I'd much appreciate it, and I won't do nothing that's paperwork on you. That's all I want.
Alright, my man. So now that I'm finished with my scene,
Please stay safe, man. We already had a bad interaction once. I just want to be calm. I want to be nice.
Okay, so will you let me talk?
Yes.
All right.
I want to hear sorry, sir.
Look, all I gotta say to you is this. What's your name?
Good citizen.
Officer Menezes. Walk that way.
Okay. That's obviously their answer, folks. We'll put in the line complaint tomorrow to the chief. Good job, sir. Look at him. While I'm walking away. Look, that's intimidation tactics, too.
Have a good one, sir.
Intimidation tactics?
Have a good one.
Wow, what a bully. There's someone breaking the law somewhere. You have to be getting calls. And so why aren't you hitting the calls?
What do you mean?
Like, why aren't you going to these things that are a problem in the city?
You know what? You're sure right. I'm about to go. It was very lovely talking.
Thank you so much,
You're
love.
very welcome. I'm going to get on that just for you.
Thank you. You have a blessed day today.
Thank you. I appreciate that. You have a blessed day as well.
Oh yeah, I hope you catch some criminals, for sure. Because we need to get them off the streets. Sir, is there a reason why you just hit that speed bump like a ramp? I got the whole thing on film of you jumping that speed bump like a ramp. That is totally out of line to be using this vehicle like that.
Man? Just because you got irritated somebody was in front of you?
No, I was trying to get up here.
Man, I just watched the whole thing.
No rush, dude. She's okay. She's fine. She got her keys. You helped her out.
All right.
But I mean, is it per policy to do that? I'm trying to figure out. You got your body cam on?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You got your dash cam rolling when you did that?
I don't have a dash cam.
Well, what was your reason to do that? I'm just curious.
I already told you, sir.
For what?
I told you I was in a hurry.
And this officer's screaming in his face.
Hey, dude, hey.
This officer's way out of line. Film this guy. Film him right now.
If you don't back up, you're going to go to jail for interference.
For what? I'm standing at a safe distance.
I told you to back up.
Get out of my face.
I told you
go
to
do
back
your
up
job.
already. Man, dude,
get out of my face and go do your job now.
I need to see your ID.
Please step back.
Need to see your
Step
ID.
back, sir.
I need to see your ID.
You don't get my idea. I haven't committed a crime.
What crime have we committed?
Let me tell you something.
What crime did we commit?
You're not furnishing me your ID.
I have not. 3802 states I only need to show my ID if I'm being lawfully arrested.
Are you going to give me your ID?
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
I need ID.
I need to know what crime you're suspecting me of committing.
got a
Because if
call.
you arrest me, let me talk. Let me talk.
Let me talk.
Whenever you arrest me for not having committed a crime, I'm going to attach my hip to your hip for decades to come. Now let me tell you something.
Because we are law abiders.
Okay.
We follow the law.
Texas 3802, yes or no? Okay.
If you violate my rights today, y'all are going to be in trouble. Is this the one?
Get over it, nah.
Oh.
Nah. Look at it.
Roll
Look
it
at this
up.
little smug.
How are you an officer, dude? It's because I can charges.
This guy's a kid, yo. Look it. Right out of high school.
I can take your job.
Right out of high school.
I can
This
take
guy.
your job, kid.
Look it. Look it. Look it.
Flashlight,
Look
man.
it. Look it. Look it.
Come on, man. Don't shine
Hey, are
flashlights.
you okay?
Look at the face.
What's wrong with you?
Look at the face on this
Are you
fool.
alright?
I'm winning this war, bro. We the people in this war, bro.
Why are you mad at him?
Yeah, you turn that other light off of us.
What did we do to you?
Get that spotlight out of our eyes. Take the spotlight out of our eyes.
You don't like it, huh?
Spotlight out.
Get back from my car. spotlight.
Please step the spotlight.
From my car.
Damn, look, you hit your shit.
Get back from my car.
You can't just go assaulting people like that, sir.
Okay.
Issue cards from our policy. Okay.
Let me see.
Man, I was walking that way.
No.
You're shaking. Why are you shaking?
Because I'm irritated.
You're nervous,
Don't
dude.
get irritated.
You don't have to
That's
be
what I
nervous of a guy with a
Yeah,
camera.
dude.
You're
Officer Hines,
shaking.
My badge number is 1366. I
Thank
recognize
you.
you may have a
His
right
hand
to
is shaking.
report. However,
Right.
this is an active
This is
investigation
not
in
good.
such reasonable time and place
This
and
is
manner.
not good.
Regulations apply.
Dude, you should not be that nervous, man.
Okay. You know what? Report, however,
Right.
this is an active
This is
investigation
not
in
good.
such reasonable time and place
This
and
is
manner.
not good.
Regulations apply.
Dude, you should not be that nervous, man.
Okay. You know what?
However, this is an active investigation in such reasonable time and place and manner. Regulations apply. Dude, you should not be that nervous, man. You know what?
Hold your hand steady. Are you on drugs? I don't want to walk past
I will
there.
tell you right now.
I'm gonna walk
you are
away.
obstructing our
Am I gonna be
investigation.
arrested if I'm like standing here?
Yes.
For what?
You either go back that
You
way.
need to, there
or
needs
you
to be
go there.
tape. We're looking. This is safe,
Here it is.
man.
Here it is. Here's your
This
left.
is safe
That's it.
distance.
You
Why are
either
you
go over
looking
there
at
by that
me?
side,
Are you
go
on
over there by
steroids?
my-
I'm walking
You
away.
know what? You're threatening to arrest me.
Yep, I am.
All
So either go over there
You're
or go over
impeding
there.
my First Amendment activity.
I'm on a sidewalk.
Last chance,
There needs to be tape.
Go
Okay?
over there.
I gave
Which
you
one?
your last
Which
chance
one you
just now.
want?
Okay?
Which one you
He
want?
told me to step right here. Look at this tyrant, guys.
Or over there by that side.
We have cameras, man.
Okay.
We're media.
Hey, you're gonna walk that cross over there.
We're media.
I don't care what you are. I'm giving you lawful order over there by that side.
And what's the law that you're backing? What's the law that you're talking about?
Go.
What's the law?
148.
What's the
You're
law?
obstructing our
Look, they're standing
investigation.
there.
Get there now.
What about look?
Go.
What's going on?
Go. Go now. Go. Go. Let's go. Get moving.
Hey, don't touch people,
Get
man.
walking.
Hey,
This
Mueller.
is safe enough distance.
Keep going.
Where?
Keep going.
Where?
I told you that sign
Where,
right there.
man? What
Go.
are we do? Whoa. Whoa, look, this is like 60 feet away. This is like, where? What's this? Put up tape.
Let's go.
Where? Where? You just get to tell people what to do? That's the way it works. This is the way you treat civilians.
You want to go?
Do I want to go? You hear this guy? Do I want to go?
Go.
Do I want to go?
Okay, this is reasonable.
Do you want to go?
That sign. Keep
Look,
going.
you're about to find out in court if
Keep
you
going.
want to keep going. What,
Keep-
100 feet? What's the...
Keep going.
Sir, if I don't have a cell phone or a computer, you know, because what I'm here to do is educate. And what I'm saying is, say for instance, those people that don't have, hold on one second, those people that don't have a cell phone or a computer at home, they come in to set an appointment. That's why all those lobbies have chairs for the public to come in and set an appointment. So who's to say that I'm not here to set an appointment? Actually, the truth of the matter is that when we first walked into this building, he stated that he would like to bring us into the building to show us how he got his business license and became successful. We have yet to go and be able to do that, and our freedom of movement was violated. Y'all's oath was to uphold the Constitution and our rights, the freedom of press, the freedom of movement, and at this point, we are being infringed on, and y'all are following suit. And if you just follow orders like Nazis, then you'll become Nazis just like they did. We need to wake up, America. What are y'all doing? Who are you fighting for? I'm doing this for my children and their children. I already got 2 kids, man, and I'm fighting for those kids because what's gonna be like in 20 years? You know, it's just getting worse. You remember when you were a little kid, it wasn't like this. And you know, when y'all were little kids, it wasn't like this. And look how bad it is now. Look how bad it is now. Where's it going to be in 20 years, man? Y'all are following the wave into destruction. We need y'all to stand up for us.
Don't come up with any policy stuff.
We just need some help here, guys.
Right now, the only thing you guys are defending
Law.
is Lee's ego.
Law.
Because he doesn't want to
Not
sit here
policy,
because
law.
he gets butthurt because now he's famous.
Now, I'm not done with you, okay?
Am I being threatened with arrest if I do not leave?
Because I've asked for your name and badge number.
Okay, I'm going to leave under threat of arrest.